In this session, you will learn how to hide, unhide columns, rows and sheets in MS Excel. So, for that we have different options. Under Home tab, Cells group, click down the Format option, we have Hide and Unhide. Under that, Hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet. Again, unhide rows, unhide columns, unhide sheet. 6 options are there. So, first you have to select the rows which you want to hide. For example, up to this 103, I want to hide all these data. I don't want to display them. So, in that situation, select the corresponding rows and go to hide and unhide and say hide rows. So, up to 104 hidden. See, after hidden 1, 2, 3, after that 8th number is coming, row number. Between 3 and 8 there is a gap, you can found the gap. So, that means some rows are hidden in the sheet. Now, if you want to unhide them, select between 3 and 8, select these 2 rows and go to Format and then click Hide and Unhide, then Unhide rows. So, you will get back the rows again. And next time here I do not want to display these TA, DA, HRA and PF income tax. So, first I am selecting these 3, then go for hide columns, columns hidden. See the gap between D and H, that means there are some hidden columns, and I am also hiding these 2, PF and income tax. So, hide columns. To get back these columns, see there is gap between H and K, select these 2 and then go to Format and Visibility, hide and unhide, unhide columns. So, you will get back the PF and IT and select these 2 cells D and H, there is hidden columns. So, you can unhide columns. So, you will get back the data. So, if you want to show all the details, if you do not want to show all the details, you can hide, again you can get back using unhide. Similarly, you can hide the sheet. Suppose I do not want to show this particular employee's sheet, or otherwise here 2 student sheets are there, I do not want to show this sheet. So, in that case you can simply go and hide sheet, student 2 sheet hidden. If you want to get back, it will show you the list of hidden sheets, unhide sheet is there. What are the sheets hidden? It will display you. You can select the particular one. Only one sheet is hidden in this particular workbook. So, say OK. You will get back the student 2 sheet again. So, like that you can hide and unhide columns, rows as well as sheets.